You want to think about two things regarding Masscan output that you're likely to be graded on for the CompTIA CySA exam. So it's got a really fast rate, but accuracy and rate, they're competitors, not hand in hand, meaning the faster the rate, the less accurate your results are. When you push the packets per second high enough, replies are dropped. And they're dropped by intermediate devices, by your own host, by various targets. And every time one is dropped, it shows up as a false negative. So like if you do a Masscan scan and you do an in-map scan and they don't agree, it's a lot of times an issue with rate, not because it's a real disagreement. It's just that Masscan's rate being so fast created these false negatives. You also really need to be aware of operational safety. If you've got fragile infrastructure and you send a high rate scan from Masscan, it can have the same effect. It can be indistinguishable from a denial of service attack. And it's definitely going to trip intrusion detection systems right away. So you can find out open ports from Masscan, and if you turn on banner grabbing, then you can get that service version string from the banners as well with it. In-map is more precise, specifically, let's say, on the reporting of closed and filtered states, but also Masscan is not going to evaluate anything. It sends the results. It doesn't tell you what they mean. It doesn't do any further evaluation past that.